Ready to ride the future with a classic twist? The Honda CB1000 Neo Classic is the bike that blends timeless style with modern performance. Welcome back to Biker's Choice, where we bring you the best in motorcycle reviews, insights, and all things two-wheeled. Today, we're diving into one of Honda's most exciting offerings, the Honda CB1000 Neo Classic. This bike perfectly captures the essence of a retro design while incorporating cutting-edge technology for today's rider. If you're a fan of that classic look but want the performance and features of a modern bike, then the CB1000 Neo Classic is a must-see. Let's dive into what makes this motorcycle a true standout. Design and build. At first glance, the Honda CB1000 Neo Classic exudes charm with its perfect fusion of vintage and modern design elements. The retro-inspired bodywork, round headlamps, and simple lines evoke a sense of nostalgia, paying homage to Honda's classic heritage. The bike's minimalistic yet bold design, highlighted by the sleek fuel tank and polished metal finishes, sets it apart from the sea of modern sport bikes. It's a bike that'll make you feel like you're cruising the streets in the golden age of motorcycles, but with a 21st century twist. The bike's lightweight chassis and comfortable ergonomics are designed for riders who appreciate style and substance in equal measure. Engine and performance. Under the sleek exterior, the Honda CB1000 Neo Classic is powered by a powerful 998 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine that delivers an exhilarating riding experience. This engine is designed to provide smooth, responsive acceleration while maintaining a manageable level of power for both experienced riders and those newer to the motorcycle world. With its impressive torque output and high revving capabilities, the CB1000 offers a thrilling ride whether you're cruising around town or accelerating down an open highway. The balance of power and precision is key to its performance, making it both enjoyable and practical for daily riding. Handling and suspension. What truly sets the Honda CB1000 Neo Classic apart is its exceptional handling. Featuring advanced suspension components, the bike offers a smooth and responsive ride over a variety of surfaces. The front and rear suspension work together to soak up bumps and imperfections in the road while maintaining stability during tight cornering and fast-paced rides. The lightweight frame contributes to its nimbleness, allowing riders to navigate through traffic or carve through winding roads with ease. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, this bike ensures you stay in control and comfortable on every ride. Brakes and safety. Braking is just as important as acceleration, and Honda has made sure the CB1000 Neo Classic has you covered. The bike is equipped with advanced braking technology, including dual front disc brakes and a single rear disc brake, delivering strong and consistent stopping power. This setup gives riders confidence, even in tight or emergency braking situations. Additionally, the Neo Classic's modern safety features, including traction control and anti-lock braking systems, ABS, provide an extra layer of security, allowing riders to push their limits without sacrificing safety. Comfort and ergonomics. Honda has paid close attention to rider comfort with the CB1000 Neo Classic. The ergonomics of the bike are designed to provide a relaxed, upright riding position that's perfect for longer rides. The seat is spacious and provides adequate cushioning to support you on extended journeys without discomfort. The handlebars are positioned to reduce strain on your wrists and shoulders, ensuring you can ride for hours without feeling fatigued. Whether you're on a short city commute or a long weekend ride, the Neo Classic offers a ride that's both enjoyable and comfortable. Conclusion: so, is the Honda CB1000 Neo Classic the bike for you? If you're a rider who appreciates the nostalgia of classic motorcycles but doesn't want to sacrifice modern performance and comfort, then the answer is a definite yes. With its perfect mix of retro styling, impressive performance, and advanced features, the CB1000 Neo Classic offers the best of both worlds. It's a bike that stands out in a crowd and offers a truly engaging riding experience that blends the past with the present. Thanks for watching another review here at Biker's Choice. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, tips, and everything motorcycle related. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and the throttle open.